So, from SAT questions of the day, I might have to change the name of the series to Most Evil SAT Questions of the Day because this one is very evil. If you look at this question, a lot of people will like to pick B. And that's not hard to see because, well, Margot does get paid $38 per hour. And so you'll have to multiply that by H, right? And then on top of that, well, how much has she already earned? If you do a little quick mental math here, you can find that she's already earned this much. And so, bam. This kind of connection where you get a result and it's a part of an answer that the SAT shows you is something that they'd like to do, because when you get a number that matches something in the answer, a lot of times people tend to get pretty excited. But what is the issue with this? Sometimes it can be easy to see if you pick a number, and this is definitely a picking numbers pattern because you have the same variable in the question as you do in all of the answer choices. So that must mean H can be any number that you pick as long as you satisfy whatever their conditions are. So if you think about it, let's just say, put this into the real world. Margot works 42 hours. So does that mean that she earns 1,280 plus 42 times 38? That might be a little much, right? Because what's going on actually here is that the H hours is for every additional hour. So little word here, the College Board is definitely counting on you to overlook this word right here. So either you can work with the real numbers and plug them in and see which one works, or you can use a little bit of algebra. So instead of doing f of h equals the original amount plus 38h, we're going to add a little bit to that. So instead of that, we're going to write f of h is equal to 1,280 plus 38, but we're going to go ahead and take that 40 away from the h because h only represents the amount of hours she works above 40. Now you can feed this into your calculator and it will do it for you, or you can do a little bit of algebra here. Got that 38h here. Do a little bit of math. This one is actually turning out to be 1,520, and then once you break that out, you are going to end up with A.